Thutha wa gucukirwo kunyita itemi wendi-ini wa bataraitha itakinyaniire, MWIKUIRWO JOSIAH KARIUKI uria ni mutabania munene wa kambuni ya SILICA Booster Limited athiite igoti-ini kugerera mawakiri yake kwamukira watho wa kugiriria ikiongono undu uria witikiritwo ni mucirithania DCI na muigano wa ciringi 100,000.
At this particular moment, what the government should be doing is to do a cleaner process, go to where these fertilizers are, find out from those farmers who sold this fertilizer to you, who brought it to you, because paper trail must be there.
Itwa-ini riake Kaveza ugite Kariuki ndabatie guikio ngono uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere indi kungikinyania gutwarwo igoti-ini thutha wa guthuthurio ni wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Inspector General wa borithi na DCI watho wake uguthirira hau. Mawakiri yake matongoretio ni Cliff Mbeta, Sam Nyamberi na Danstan Omari maugite Kariuki araigirwo ni itanga nene ire biacara-ini ya bataraitha.
I'm the one who have been paying NCPB. I'm the same person who have been paying KFA and other aggregates. I've been doing that. So when I heard that I've been receiving money from subsidy, that's not the right thing. I've been paying the government, I've been paying the parastatal, and we have been doing clean business from them.
Vita hivi anavyopiwa huyu kijana ni vita vya kibiashara. Mabwenyenye waliokuwa wamekalia biashara za fertilizer kwa miaka nenda miaka rudi.
Jumatatu ya kiumia giukite Kariuki na mawakiri yake ni magathie mbere ya DCI kuhungwo mahuri na Jumaine athie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya urimi gutheria cigi bataraitha ya GPC+ ire rendagio kugerera ruhonge rwa wendia wa irio nyumu NCPB. Kamiti ino ningi ni uritie Kariuki akarehe bithio ria CR12 namba ya makonia ma bataraitha iria mathondekete na makedia na ithimi cia mutukanio uria uthondekaga bataraitha ya GPC+.
In 2023, before that, I used to work through diatomite, and then from there I decided I need my own license in 2023. So I applied the license through KEBS. They went to the factory, they took a sample, and they asked me to send something called methodology of whatever I was doing. I have everything on WhatsApp. I did send them what I was doing, and they came back and they said you can start your business, and that's how I started.
Kati ya wale ambao anapeana mbolea taifa zima zaidi ya wakulima milioni 5, hakuna hata mmoja ambaye amelalamika kwamba mbolea yake ina shida.
Guthuthurio gwa Kariuki gukite ciumia nini kuma riboti ya mwanya ya ceceni ya African Censored kuonania ko ya bataraitha ino ni yathogirwo indi mawakiri ya Kariuki marauga KEBS niyo yamuhire marwa ma kuruta wira uyu kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 riu.
I've been having problems with KEBS. The problem I've been having in KEBS, I told them I do organic silica and it's 70%. And what they load organic only. But I told them it's silica organic.
Bataraitha ingi igwetetwo ta ugwati-ini KEFOS Plus, KEFOS Gold na NPK 1026-1 rungu rwa KEL Chemicals. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndong'o.